Before starting, close the ball valve from your municipal feed water supply line. Then, turn off and lock the main disconnect on the front of the RO control panel. Next, press down on the red vent on the filter cover to bleed any pressure out of the system. Carefully remove the snap ring from the cover of the filter housing and remove the cap. Then, remove the filter using the tabs at the top of the filter. Apply a generous coating of silicone grease to the two O-rings at the bottom of the new filter. Insert the new filter into the housing. Apply a generous coating of silicone grease to the filter cover and reinsert into the housing. Reinstall the snap ring, starting with the tail and working around to the peg, and ensure it is fully seated. Finally, turn on the power on the front of the RO control panel. Crack open your municipal supply line ball valve, then slowly open the line to allow water to flow back into the system. Refer to the System Startup section of the RO instruction manual for instructions on filling and purging the RO system before bringing it back online.